Eat your Rice Krispies.
But you have to turn the page.
We'll drink your milk, please.
They're frozen. Wait, were they those old ones that you had?
Just drink your milk if your Rice Krispies aren't gonna.
Wait, are those the old ones I had? What?
April Fools! Drink your milk.
One?
Come on, honey.
They're my old ones.
All right. Have a big drink of milk and then everything will be better.
Are they my old ones?
Just try and drink your milk up, please.
No, I want to know if they're...
No, I made them last night for you.
Oh.
Mom was just tricking you. She froze your cereal, but
Just as an April Fool's trick.
yeah. April Fools! Who's the best at April Fools? Okay, we'll get you some real milk and cereal. We will.
We got you,
We-
sweetie.
That mom is a tricker. It's okay.
That was fun.
Yeah, it's just a trick. Say, oh, you got me.
I love you, sweetie.
I'll get some fire.